Guys, here we are, day 3. One more day to go after this. We're in the South Hall today. We didn't finish the Central Hall yesterday. We had a couple interviews over here. Then we kind of hung out here the rest of the day, and then we left a little bit early for some parties. Parties were pretty awesome. Had some fun compared to the first one that kind of sucked. Hopefully the rest of them are as cool. So we're going to be in the South Hall today. We're going to go back to the Central Hall tomorrow for the last day and finish up over there. So I'm going to be shooting some footage. I'm not sure when I'm going to get these videos up, but eventually. So keep watching. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you whenever I record another video. Okay, bye. Alright guys, end of day 3. We're getting ready to head out. It's about 5:30 or so. Got a few parties to get to tonight. We got a invite to a sponsored dinner, so we're going to go check that out if we make it in time. Saw some cool stuff today. Hopefully I can get the video up soon. And yeah, that's it for day 3. We'll see you tomorrow for the final day. Not sure how much we're going to get covered then. We still got a lot of stuff to see here. And my feet are killing me. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.